Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the Zero Sudoku. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, November the 20th, 2023. Told you earlier, there's no extra puzzles or additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of the Thursday edition, November the 16th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. And this one, the Zero Stars Sudoku. Alright. And this one will be number 7482. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be a 0 stars, a puzzle. Need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. And then, let me see. 2. Ooh, need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. And I need... Come on. 3. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Okay. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 1 goes there. And we have a pair, the 4 and the 5 in this row, the 4 and the 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So one digit left in this big square for the mother. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright, then... how about, come on. 5, need a 5 here. Yep. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. 5 in this row, 5 in one of these 3 boxes in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay. 1, 8, 8. Then need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, We see a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2. Then. Come on. Well. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and a 9. Need a 3 here. Need a... Need an 8. And a 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4, 5. Yeah, can be 4. No. Need a 6 here. We have a 6 here. Yeah. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 in these two boxes. The 6 could be here, could be there. We have 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. 6, 6, 7, 9, and need a 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. 1, 1. Come on, come on. This is taking too long. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 4. Yeah. Need a 9 here. 9. 9. 9. 9, 9, 9. But a 7 in. I need a 7. Need a 3. Need a 8. 7, 3, 8. 7, 3, 8. 2, 3, 2, 3, and 9, 2, 3, 8, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have 2 and 3 in this column, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 is left in the last column for the number, last row for the number 9. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Okay, and now need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 here. Need 8 here. Okay, come on. This is taking too long. 6. Need a 6 here. 3, 3, 3. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Ay. Thinking. Need a 9 here. How about the 7? 7, 2, 3. 2. 2, need a 5, need a 1, we have a 2 here. 2, 2, 4. Hey, having troubles. This one. 9, need a 9 here. Nope, need a 9 here. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be. These 2 should be 2 in the 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. 4 and 8. a 4. Need a 6. Need a 1. 4, 6, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 3, need a 3 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 6, 5. Come on. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 could be here, could be there. Having troubles. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. The 8. Need an 8 here. 8. 8, 9, 1, 5. This column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. And 9 is missing. 1, 9, 5, and 8. 1, 9, 5, and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 3 here. Well, got you. The 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left. 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 6 as a pair. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 9 and 8. Then, well, we need a 1. Yeah, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Need a 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. We have a 1 here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 3 and a 6, so we need a 6 here. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. Same for here in this big square. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes here. 6 in this row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. The 6 could be here, could be there. So we need a 6 there then. Yeah. 6, 6, 6. Okay. 6. Need a 4 here. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 6 as a pair, so 1 is left in this row. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, 3 missing numbers. 1, 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 is there. So the 7 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Well. Got you. All the 5s. I need a 9 here. Well. No 9 here. 9. How about this box? This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, Could be a 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be 8, can be 9. Yes, hit a number 4. Well, we got you. 4 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 4 in the third row from the row between only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. How about this number? 1 can it be a 2? We have a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6. Could be 7. Yeah, could be 7 or 8. Yeah, I need a 7 or 8 here. Well, we need a 9 in this row. Oh, wait. Need a 9 here too. 999. Well. Complicated. Need a 7 here. 7, 2. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. No, need 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. How about this box? 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 3. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 6. We have a 6 here. Could be 7, can be 8, can be 9. Yeah, hidden number 7. Well, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 7 should be here. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4. 4 goes there. 7 and 1. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 goes there. Then 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. Only place left for 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 2 goes there. Yeah, so 2 numbers left here, 3 and a 6. So should be, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. So the 9, the 8, and the 3 is missing. Well, here needed 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing. And I've eliminated the 8. 8 goes there, and I've eliminated the 9. 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6. 6 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1. 1 goes there. So 1 is left. In this big square for number, I believe the 9. 9 and 8. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Then 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. I cannot believe this. This should be a 0 stars, but we solve it again, and I like this one, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.